Get cozy, huh?
Yeah.
All right, you're all secure. I'll see you next week. No, I'll meet you up on the surface. All right, I'll see y'all in a few minutes.
Okay.
Yep. Didn't matter how small your injury was, you didn't fall out.
Yeah.
So we strap you into that instead.
Someone else's.
Next, you took it up right from the bottom.
Oh, yeah. And that's way back now already.
Have you checked these tables?
Alright, here we go. Now some people do say it feels a little faster.
Well, this is a lot better than trying to balance on the
And that slight balancing sensation is because we're at the bottom of that
Go up.
So it's just trying to equalize our weight down here.
Quicker than coming down.
Actually, fairly fast, probably for.
My nose really low.
Alright folks, I just want to give everybody a heads up that when we cross the surface, it can be a bit bright since we have been underground for about an hour. Some people do describe it as actually a movie theater broad daylight. We are about to be coming up on the 200-foot shaft, which will mean that we only have about 15-20 seconds before we cross the surface. So I figured that was a good time to give you that heads up.
I think we're about to experience light.
I something about some people experience something.
Oh yeah. Probably Disney. I don't. Yeah. We're coming out of a theater, maybe. I think.
Prepare for that bright light.
You should almost have a picture of this squished in you.
Alright, watch your step as you exit, please. And if you'll throw your hard hat over the fence into those totes for me, as soon as I unload the rest of the tour, we'll let you access her out.
Look at him, he might just letting us up here. He could. We want a picture of this yet?
Alright. Watch your step as you exit, please. If y'all will throw your hard hats over the fence into those totes for me.
Can I get my hat on this?
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Absolutely. You throw your hard hats over that, then I'll let everybody out of the front.